All right, folks, you want to launch a killer podcast? It all starts with the right space. This is your sonic sanctuary, your audio dojo. Choose wisely. First off, size matters. Too small, you'll feel cramped. Sound will bounce around like a pinball. Too big, you'll get lost in the echo chamber. Find that sweet spot. Next up, acoustics. Avoid rooms with hard surfaces. They'll give you that nasty, echoey sound. Think carpets, curtains, soft furnishings. These absorb sound, make your voice silky smooth. Finally, vibe. This is your creative space. It should inspire you. Good lighting, comfy chair, maybe a plant or two. Make it yours, man.
Check. Check 1, check 2, check.
Now let's talk gear. You need the right tools to capture that golden audio. First up, the microphone, your voice's best friend. USB mics are great for beginners. Plug and play, easy peasy. But if you're serious, go XLR. More control, better sound quality. Trust me on this. Next, headphones. Closed back are key. They block out external noise so you can focus on your voice, your guest. No distractions. Now, the mixer. This is your audio command center. It's how you control the levels, add music, sound effects. It's the magic box, folks. Finally, software. This is where you record, edit, and master your podcast. Audacity is a good starting point, free and easy to use. All right, let's talk about soundproofing. You don't want your killer podcast ruined by traffic noise or barking dogs. Time to silence the outside world. Start with the door. Get some weather stripping, seal those gaps. You'd be surprised how much sound sneaks through those cracks. Next, the windows. Thick curtains or blinds are your friends here. They'll help absorb sound, keep your studio a fortress of audio purity. Don't forget the walls. Acoustic panels are your best bet. They absorb sound waves, prevent echoes. You can buy them or even make your own. And finally, the floor. A thick rug can work wonders, absorbing impact noise from footsteps or furniture. Every little bit helps.
Check 1, check.
Now let's put it all together. First, set up your desk. Make sure it's the right height, comfortable for those long recording sessions. Next, position your microphone. You want it close, but not too close. Experiment to find the sweet spot where your voice sounds rich and full. Plug your microphone into your mixer and your mixer into your computer. Make sure all your cables are neat and organized. No one likes a tangled mess. Now install your recording software and familiarize yourself with the controls. This is where you'll be spending most of your time, so get comfortable. Finally, the moment of truth. Hit record and test everything out. Make sure your levels are good, your sound is clear, and your vibe is right.